Tier 2, Tier 3 cities people who cannot come and join the Alpha Pack and the offline centers. They can obviously avail the beta packages, where the offering is much more than what any other app is there. So we have a Delta Pack also for you guys, where you can just go and do the question bank. You can do the tests. You can assess yourself. One unique feature is that when you go for your exam on the final day, you have a lot of anxiety. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस जितनी की ना वो घर पे की ऐप में की, तो जब वहाँ जाते हो तो वो फील नहीं आता, वो डर होता है. So to tackle that, what we have done is conducting mock tests, which you can go in the offline center. You can give those tests and you can assess it. So you'll have that practice. That you when the day when you go to the exam center, you will not have those butterflies in your stomach. That anxiety level will not shoot up. So that is the NExT mobile app. We all downloaded it. There are two announcements. First is the NExT batch. That we have. This is the first class, and the classes are going to be continued. Conditional that I can tell you in the next exam. But yes, that we'll talk tomorrow. But for people who are preparing for NExT PG, basic subjects को ignore नहीं